What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over how to market $25 1UP system so you can earn those 1% instant commissions every single day. But before I do that, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I upload videos on how to make some daily cash. Alright guys, so I'm here in my back office of $25 1UP, and once again you can just see your dashboard, your daily results. You always want to make sure that you're sharing this business with somebody every single day. Getting leads every day is how you're going to make money every day. It's all about getting eyes to the websites, okay? That's all you have to do is focus on marketing. Don't focus on the money. Once you become a part of this team, this system, don't focus on the money, okay? Focus on activity. Focus on, becoming a leader, showing other people how to, what I'm doing. Like right now, I'm giving you value, okay? I'm giving you value on the back office reviews. If you go to my YouTube channel, I have value of, reviews of what I use, what I do. You could do the same thing, guys. All you have to do is become a leader. Once you become a leader, you start showing people how to do different things inside the system, other marketing tools that you use. Record your screen. Do what I'm doing right now. This is me giving you value, okay? Every day I focus on helping somebody else become successful, and that's what you have to focus on. Don't focus on the money, because if you focus on the money, you're probably not going to make as many sales, guys. Focus on what we actually have as a product. Sell the product. What is the product? It's really product. The product is courses, okay? It's courses inside, done for you ads, copy and paste ads. It teaches you how to make money online. So that's what we're selling. Don't so much try to sell people on, hey, you can make this much money a day. You can make this, you can make that, this amount of money, that amount of money. You're probably going to get a lot of people that's going to sign up and then not make any money. You want to be somebody that's actually helping people make money so your team can grow and grow and grow, and you have more testimonials so people can actually want to join you. All right. So here in the back office today, I made a couple of sales. Let me go to confirm payment and show you guys. So here I have somebody who came in at the gold level and the platinum level. So that was $125 that I received, and it was instant. I didn't have to wait for it. I did not have to wait for that money, and came directly to my cash out. So here I have somebody else that signed up, following up with them through email marketing, and hopefully we can turn this to a sale. We have multiple people that went on ahead and created the account. Now you're going to have people that's going to create their account and might not take any action, okay? But all you have to do is use their name, use their phone numbers, connect with them, text. You can send out a text, send out a call. You can do whatever you want to do to generate that sale. But I highly recommend that you catch them once they come in. Like, these are fresh people. These are new people. All right. There's a couple people, that pay their hosting fee, but don't, take any more action. So you have to keep following up with them, letting them know, like, hey, you paid your hosting fee, but you have one more step to go. It's just all about connecting. People will go ahead. See, this is another $125 commission. All right. And another $125 commission. I'm trying to tell you guys, like, it's all about focusing on getting people to your website, getting your eyes to that website. People are going to create an account. To create a $25 1UP account is free. All right, it's free to create an account, but to actually make money, you have to pay your hosting fee, and you have to grab a level that you want to make commissions on each time that you sell that package. So whether it's $25 or $100 or $250, $500 or $1,000, you choose which level you want to come in at and crush it at that level. All you have to do is just focus on marketing, and that's what this is. This is a marketing tool. This is a marketing system that will help you market this business or any business online that can help you generate sales every single day. Now I want you to think about your job. If you are, working a job right now, or any job that you ever have had, were you able to get paid instantly after you done that job? Most people, like I said, you have to wait to Friday or every 2 weeks, or once a month to get paid. But this system allows you to get paid every single day, instantly. All right. You might have a bill. You might have a situation that you might have to handle. You might want to do something special for someone. This system will allow you to make money. All right. So like yesterday, I had a long day yesterday. My camera cracked. All right, on my phone. My camera cracked. Not my camera. My screen cracked. I dropped my phone. It cracked. Right. If I wasn't making money every day, I would have to waited to my next paycheck to get my phone fixed. But since I was able to make money instantly, I was able to get my phone fixed the same day. So yesterday I was able to go ahead and get my screen fixed because money was coming in. All right. So this system will allow you to handle, different situations daily. And instead of to have to wait for a company to pay you out, once a month, every week, or every 2 weeks. This will allow you to get paid every day. So a couple of ways on how you can market this system itself. You would come down to resources, and what I like about $25.1Up is so many things that's inside this system that's going to teach you how to make money. All you have to do is implement it and put it into your system, put it into your life, put it to action, and actually market. That's all you have to do. Market. Anybody that's famous, any rapper that singer that anybody that's selling something, they are promoting it. So that's all you have to do. Promote your product. Okay, that's how you're gonna win with online marketing. You have to promote. So here they give you multiple Facebook groups that you could join. Facebook groups, guys, these are people that are looking to make money, posting their opportunities. It's all good positive energy inside of these groups that you could go in, post your opportunities, get results, get sign-ups, get sales, because I've done it with these groups. These are proven groups that work. All you have to do is click one. Once you click one, it will allow you to join this group. Once you join the group, take the pre-written ads over here that $25.1Up provides for you. And if you come in at the lowest level. Even if you come in at the lowest level, you have access to this part of the system, which give you pre-written ads and email swipes and different things that you could use to help close those sales. So you could use these pre-written ads, post them in those Facebook groups, and get results. And you also have pre-written ads on sale closing. So if you don't know how to close sales, they have it right here for you. All you have to do is copy and paste. If you could copy and paste, you can get paid, guys. That's all it is. This system is a done for you system. All right. Everything is done for you. It does the selling, the telling. It does everything for you. You don't really have to do anything but drive traffic to this website, to this system, and follow up with people. It's that simple. But it's different platforms that you could use to market this business. All right. Don't just stick to one platform, because it's like you're putting all of your eggs in one basket. You want to you want to get eyes from everywhere. Word of mouth. Do offline marketing like postcards, business cards. All right. You just want to get your point across when it comes to this opportunity. So, like I said, in order to make daily cash, you have to promote this daily. You have to get leads daily. And let me show you another system that I use. I mentioned it before. My lead generation system. You can use this if you have any business, but especially with $25.1Up, I have been promoting in this business. I have been promoting to my email list. Now, my lead gen system gives you 100 leads every single day just being a part of this business. So if you refer people, you start to get 200 leads a day. All right. So these are 200 people that you can send out your email list to. And let me show you how many people I actually have. let me show you how many people I actually have in my list. All right, I have 3,600 people that I could share my $25 1-up business with, and all in one click of a button. So all I would do is send out. All I would do is use my pre-written ads, my copy and paste ads that they have for me, post them inside of this right here. Just put my link in here to my business, $25 1-up business, and I would send out the email. All right, this allows you to send out emails once a day to your whole list. So if I come over here to the home, as you can see, here is a $25 1-up, $25 1-up email swipe. I sent it to 3,400 people. 381 people opened it, and 53 people clicked the link to my Done For You website with $25 1-up. And it just go on and on, guys. You could also promote this business and earn money with it, but in this video I'm strictly talking about $25 1-up and how you can market, how you can market $25 1-up. So you can use that. That's simple as well. And let's head over to what I want to head over to is Udemy. And I don't want to make this video too long, but I'm just sharing a little. $5 once you join and use this. You could buy traffic, which is clicks, to your website. So you can buy like 100 leads. You can buy like 100 clicks for your website for like $43. So this is if you want a faster route. If you just want to buy, traffic instead of promoting on your page, or if you just have the money to put into your business, I highly recommend that you use clicks. All right, because with these clicks, these are people that's actually looking for ways to make money from home. It's just vendors. You can come over here to sellers. These people sell their list. They are sending your link. All you have to do is give them your link. They send it to different people and they check out your offer. And once you join my team, guys, I share with you exactly which vendor I use. I use Udemy a lot. I like how you could just send traffic directly to your link, capture those leads, and sell to them through email marketing. So this is one of the quicker ways to get your list bigger and to build a bigger $25 1-up business. You also can use Instagram, YouTube. This video is on YouTube right now. So YouTube is a free source that you can get your point across to many people to see it. You just have to focus on marketing, guys. That's all it is to it. It's all about marketing, all right? So if you like this type of content, guys, make sure you subscribe to my page. Also, click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I upload videos on how to make this daily cash. Other than that, I'm out.